Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a goldfish, so let's get started. To draw this super cute goldfish, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and we're going to draw a curve. Nice and big for these big goldfish eyes. So something like that. And then I'm going to come right about here and we're going to bring it out. So as if you're drawing like half of a circle. So it's going to be a nice and round. And come right back. There. And then we're going to come inside. We're just going to give it a little bit of an edge. All the way around. And then we're going to come inside and make them draw so cute eyes. So we'll come right about here and we're going to draw a circle for a highlight and another smaller one. And then come about right here and we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And then shade everything else in. There, and then put in some of these lines, maybe just two, right about there. Okay, so now that we have this eye, sorry it took me a little while to draw this, it's because it's kind of big. Okay, so then now we have this, let's come across, and we're going to come about right here. We find the center, come across, and say about right here. We're going to draw another eye, but this time it's just going to be a big complete circle. So we just wanted the same height as the other eye. That's our goal. So about right here. There, so something like that. And then we're going to come inside once again and just give it a little bit of an edge. And create another circle. And then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So once again, two small circles inside for highlights. And then a curved line at the bottom. And shade everything else in on the top. I'm also using a thinner Sharpie, like a newer one. So everything's taking longer because I'm drawing these big eyes and there are these little details I wanted to make sure I had a thinner Sharpie to draw. The downside of it is that it takes forever to color this in and it's a little bit wobblier. And lines at the bottom. Okay, finally. That's it for the eyes. Then let's come in between the eyes and towards this edge a little bit more. We're going to go ahead and say about, we're in the center area. So, but towards this edge, we're going to come about right here. I'll give myself a point. Maybe about right there. And we're going to wobble this cute little fish mouth. There. So just slightly more closer to that eye. And then at the top right here above this, we're just going to lightly draw this little curve. And at the bottom about right here, a wider curve. Just to give the mouth a little bit of a pucker, like a fish, right? Okay, so then from there, finally we can go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here, and it's coming up about right here. I'm going to give myself these 2 points. And from there, I'm going to start to draw this oval shape. So just keep that in mind as we go up. And I want a nice full body. So just go about right here. Let's take a look. You can make your goldfish nice and fat or thinner. It's all up to you. But we just want to create this oval shape here. And the top being a little bit taller. So let's go ahead and we're going to bring this out much wider on this side. So let's go ahead and bring this down to about right here. And then start to come in. Now if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and connect all this. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I don't want to erase. I'm going to come about right here and just draw this one little fin, round it off, and bring it in. And then just go ahead and finish up your oval. There. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, we can go ahead and come to the top, and we're going to draw this one big fin at the top. So bring it up nice and high. And then I'm just going to go ahead and wobble down for one. And then of course we need the other side. So just drag this point across to about right here. And draw another part of the fin. So for this, we're just going to go ahead and curve it in. And then of course the tail. So let's just stick it right about here in the center area. So about here and here. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big curve, round it off, come towards the center, and same thing over here. And connect. There, starting to look like a goldfish, right? Hopefully. And so then now for some details, let's go ahead and this side, just draw a little curve and a little curve right here for the eyes. And then maybe about here, and lightly draw a curve just to separate the front from the back. And then maybe some scales, just lightly drawing these curves, and then some details on the fins. Maybe just a little part of it showing. And then for the tail, you can come right about here in the center and just draw a curve first, and then we can draw in some lines. Center one, and then another one right about there. And let's see. And of course you can also draw some bubbles. Right there for your goldfish. And last but not least, I'm going to add, where should we add our heart? Maybe just tuck it right here to make this my just so cute goldfish. I really hope you love this drawing and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.